What's your favorite thing about Cam Switler?
Honestly, like his demeanor's so like the way he carries himself. Obviously, we could talk about his pitches all day, but that speaks for itself. But I'm a personality guy, right? And obviously I showed my emotion. He doesn't really, but his backhanded comments on social media are the absolute best. Like just the absolute best. Like he doesn't really come out and like say something crazy, but the way he does it, it fires me up and just he has every right in the world to say whatever he wants to, but he really doesn't have to because he's like, you want to talk whatever you want, come watch me pitch. I don't really care. But then you want to come at me in a little bit. He goes, I'll give you a backhanded comment just so you know I'm still here and I'm listening and come see what I'm doing. So I think it's just all around kind of how he hasn't letting it get too big to him and how he's just embraced the craziness. Like